Hello everyone, this is Mr. H again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing with you the vertical line test. But first, let's take a look at some important concepts about the vertical line test. First, the vertical line test is used to determine if the graph of the equation is a function or not. So literally what you will do here is to draw a vertical line passing through the graph. And in order for the equation to be considered a function, there should only be one distinct point of intersection between the vertical line that you draw and the graph itself. So the rule here is that you will be drawing a vertical line passing through the graph itself. On the other hand, if the vertical line cuts the graph at more than one point, definitely the graph is not a function. All right, let's take a look at a few examples and apply the vertical line test. So the graph that you're seeing is the graph of y equals 2x cubed minus x squared minus 4. So based on the rule, so you can draw the vertical line anywhere as long as it's gonna pass through the graph. So let's draw a vertical line here. After drawing the vertical line, you have to take a look at how many points on the graph that the vertical line touches. And based on the rule, there should only be one distinct point on the graph. We can see that the vertical line crossed the graph at exactly one point, which is here. So from this, we can say that the graph of y equals to x cubed minus x squared minus 4 is a function. Let's move on to the second example. So as you can see here, there's a graph of a circle, right? And this is a graph of x squared plus y squared equals 16. All right, and applying the vertical line test, we need to draw a vertical line anywhere as long as the vertical line passes through the graph. You can see there are 2 points, right? So the vertical line cuts the graph at 2 points right here. So this is the first point. That's the first point, and this is the second point. So based on the rule, didn't pass the test, right? Because there are 2 points. In order for this to be considered a function, there should only be one distinct point. So the graph is not a function. So by looking at this, there are two points, right, that the vertical line crosses, 2 points on the graph. So that only means that there are two, so the x value of -3 is repeated. So basically, if you have 2 points right there, so -3 and positive 2.6, and this is -3 and -2.6. So x values are repeated. So basically, that fails the concept of a function. All right. So third question. This is a parabola. So that is the graph of y equals x squared plus 1. And we need to identify if this graph is a function or not by applying, again, the vertical line test. So draw a vertical line anywhere as long as it passes through the graph here. All right. So that's our vertical line. And take a look at the point of intersection between the vertical line and the graph itself. There's only one point of intersection. We can conclude that the graph of y equals x squared plus 1 is a function. For your challenge, what do you think of the graph Is it a function or not? If you have the answer to this question, please remember to type your answer in the comment section below. And if you learned something new from this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. And that is Math Hub by Mr. H. And once again, thank you very much for supporting my YouTube channel, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys.